Hey guys, today I'm making a hot cross bun loaf. In the bowl of your stand mixer, combine the yeast with about a tablespoon of the sugar and the warm water. Mix it well and allow it to sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes or till the mixture becomes frothy. Then add in the remaining sugar, milk, softened butter, egg, ground cinnamon, ground nutmeg, lemon zest, orange zest, the fruitcake mix or raisins, and all of the flour. Mix on low till everything is well combined. The end result should be a soft and slightly sticky dough. Remove the dough from the bowl and place it onto your work surface. Then oil your hands and shape the dough into a ball. Place the ball of dough into an oiled bowl. Cover with a piece of cling film and allow this to proof in a warm place for about 1 hour. After the dough has risen, remove it from the bowl and place it onto your work surface. Divide the dough into 3 equal pieces and roll each piece of dough into a ball. Roll each ball of dough into a sausage shape about 25 centimeters long and place it onto a greased baking tray. Pinch the edges together and begin to braid from one end to the other. When you reach the other side, pinch the dough together and tuck it under, then cover with a piece of cling film and allow this to rise for about 20 minutes. Remove the cling film and brush the entire loaf with the egg wash, then bake at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. While the loaf is in the oven, make the glaze by mixing together the icing sugar with the milk. Mix together well till no lumps remain, then set it aside till needed. Remove the loaf from the oven, and while it's still hot, brush on the glaze. Place the loaf on a wire rack to cool slightly, and it's ready to serve. Enjoy! Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye!